In this video, we will show you how to use Mate Big Magic. When you receive your package, you will get the following items: a USB power cable, a 5-volt power adapter, a coil tester, user manual. A portable storage bag, a PEMF mat, and a Big Magic main unit. 1. Plug in the power supply. There are two options of connecting Big Magic to power. Plug in the USB power cable provided, or a regular USB cable, into Big Magic. Plug the other end of the cable into a 5-volt power adapter. 2. Connect the mat. Plug the PEMF mat into Big Magic main unit. Make sure the plug key matches the groove in the socket. 3. Set to the desired power level and turn on. Use the power level switch to adjust the power level. Level 2 is the one we recommend. However, if you are sensitive to magnetic fields, you can set to level 1. Use the power switch to turn on Big Magic. The power indication light illuminates when Big Magic is connected to power and switched on. Another indication light flashes during treatment. The top breathing light can be toggled on and off using the breathing light button. 4. Test. Use the coil tester to check the functionality of Big Magic. Place the coil tester on the PEMF mat. Flashing indicates a magnetic field is present. You may need to reposition the tester until it lights. 5. Treat. Place the mat under the area you wish to apply PEMF treatments. The suggested treatment time is 3 hours or more. For overnight treatments, place the PEMF mat under your bedsheet. Thank you for watching this video.